Well, I see a future for you in the Lord, in ministry. There's a calling on you to preach, but first you must love. So first will come the love of God, and then will come this word that will be birthed out of that love. And the reason the love will come first, otherwise you'll go like this to people. You. But once the love for people comes, you will be a pastor already. Your heart will love, and the people will know it. In school, they might not have accepted you right away, but it's because of that special anointment that's in your life. I see that God is going to bring a spiritual father into your life. He's going to bring wholeness into your life and take you to that place where you need to be. Ich bin sehr froh, dich kennenzulernen, zu dürfen, jetzt schon. Ich sehe eine große Aufgabe für dich in der Zukunft. Du bist ein richtiger Flammenträger. Du trägst die Flamme Gottes in dir und du wirst viele leiten in die Richtung Gottes. I see you working with video on a computer, video editing, and I see you being very gifted in that area. There is definitely a full-time calling of God on your life, for sure. That's the first thing I saw when I called you. Some are called to be men over 10, some over 100, some over 1,000. That's how Moses called them. But you are called to be a man over 1,000. That is God's plan for you to have a big church in the future. A mover and a shaker. Ein Erschütterer